So, I've been meaning to talk about this company for a while. I want to talk to you about Boundary Supply and the great bags that they make. And I'm going to start with this little line here. One of my favorite things to do is just go exploring and bring my camera. And I've got this Rift Sling from Boundary Supply, and I want to tell you a little bit about it. So there are just so many points on these bags. So there's a tab here, there's a clip at the bottom corner, there's another clip that's hidden in behind this area here, and there's even these straps on the front. I've sometimes had it on my bicycle and just hang my keys from their hook here as well. It feels like they've thought of everything. So I mentioned it's a sling, but where are the sling straps? So sleeve on the back, you've got some buttons, top and bottom, or left and right, depending on how you're holding it, and Velcro. And then you undo it, and there's your sling. Everything's high quality. They've got YKK zips, they've got Storm Guard zippers, and just the amount of clips. So again, I've got some clips at the top here as well that I could utilize for strapping things on. I mentioned the clips across the front. The beauty of these is that they're mounted to a point on the bottom. So these ones here are mounted to a point on the bottom. If you wanted to, you could run them over the top and clip into those clips at the top here. Let's talk about what's inside it. The number one complaint that people have about this sling is it's not really compartmentalized, and I can understand that complaint. So what I've got my Fujifilm camera in it, and another cost of the modularity principle, I guess, is that if you do want to do something different with the bag that's more specialized, you usually have to buy a component to go inside it. So for me, I've bought a camera insert that you can actually put inside it. This is again another point about how much they've considered. So this particular camera kit, it basically attaches to a ready-to-go piece of Velcro that they've already stitched inside the bag itself. So everything just lines up. The camera kit is useful because it also has a little detachable camera card and battery holder, which is very, very useful. And another thing inside this bag is a little pocket at the back with a zipper to keep all the extra things. So sometimes I'll keep my camera cleaners in there. It's got a little key clip as well if you want to use that. One of the best things I've ever done with this, before I had a motorbike with a USB port, was to put my power bank inside this zip pocket and have a cable running out through the zip here and just closing it as tight as I could. And that cable could run to my phone mounted on the handlebar. It was very easy to mount this to the handlebar on the motorbike. So that's the Rift Sling from Boundary. I take it with me everywhere. It's the thing that I use when I just want to grab and go for my camera. And I will often take it with me on hikes, strap it to my bicycle, strap it to the motorbike, or even sit it inside the errant pack. And it fits perfectly to the size of the errant.